Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another hair installation video, and today I'm featuring Asteria hair. So they sent me their 30-inch 250% density large cap of deep wave hair. This is a 13x4 HD lace frontal wig. So yeah, I'm just gonna install that today. I'm gonna be doing a very quick install, so I'm just using the Got To Be freeze spray. And yeah, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the hair. I've already plucked and bleached the knots off camera. If you would like a detailed tutorial on how I do that, check out my last couple of videos. I have it up somewhere, or I'll link it in the description box. Yeah, so I'm just going to wet the hair and then I'm going to get onto cutting the lace. One thing that I did find is that this lace is quite small for me. I have a large head and Asteria wigs usually fit me quite well, but this wig, it literally, I had to cut more lace than usual to make it fit. Like on the right side, well, your left, on my right, it fit me well, but then on the left, it kind of, slid back. So I had to cut in an awkward position just to make sure it fit. And even then, it was still kind of lifting. But apart from that, yeah, everything else is pretty much good with the wig. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the lace, and right from the beginning I knew this lace was gonna be good and I knew the hair was gonna be good, because when I received it at the box, I'm gonna insert a clip. When I received it, the knots were really small and the lace was really thin. Of course, it's HD lace is always thin, but it was really, looking positive. So you should really wear HD lace wigs occasionally, so like on your birthdays, or if you have a really big occasion and there's going to be a lot of pictures, that's when I would advise to wear HD lace wig, because other than that you can really like wear and tear the lace, because it's really thin lace and it's really not for everyday use. So I would advise getting this for like special occasions, so like your birthday, prom, wedding. I'm just gonna cut around my ear tabs, and then I'm going to get on to gluing down or sticking down the lace with hairspray. A lot of people struggle to stick down their lace with Got To Be free spray or any spray in general, but the trick is to really stick it down when it's wet. You don't want to stick it down when it's drying or tacky. You want to stick it down when it's wet, and then you melt the two together. So as it's wet, you put the lace on immediately, and then you dry it together with a blow dryer, and you press it into your skin. And Okay, so now I'm just going to section out the edges that I'm going to be using, and then I'm going to hot comb or wax the hair back. I did one thing I did do this week is I did over bleach a bit. I did over bleach a tad bit, and yeah, after this I realized that I did, so I did fix it. But yeah, that was a me problem. It wasn't really the wig, it was me. So guys, make sure you're very careful when you're bleaching your knots. You don't want to over bleach the knots. I over bleached. I didn't really over bleach. It just bled into the roots of the hair a bit. But yeah, I'm just gonna section out the edges, and I'm gonna wax the hair using my wax stick, and then I'm gonna hot comb the hair into place. Then I'm going to take my eyebrow razor to just trim the hairs. I like to use the eyebrow razor rather than a pair of scissors because it's more feathered and it doesn't look chunky. So I use a eyebrow razor to cut the hair, and then I go in with my Afro G hair mousse and I just slick the edges. So to define the curls, I used water first, and I went in with the Auntie Jackie's Curl La La curling custard, I think. And this is meant to be like a weightless product that doesn't basically weigh the hair down. So I like to use this on my curly hair. This is meant for natural hair, but I use it on my curly hair, and it has a really really nice smell, and it doesn't weigh the hair down, but it doesn't give you that wet look. If you want that wet look, I would advise using like a mousse that doesn't crunch up, or use the soft and free curl activator, but you need to apply loads of it. So this is it for the video. The only con I have about this hair is again the lace. I don't know, I feel like with these 13x4s they just keep getting smaller, but yeah, the lace, I really wish it fit me ear to ear comfortably because I have a big head. But if you have a small head, you have nothing to worry about. This will fit you just fine. But I have a big head, so that really did like affect me. And yeah, the hair is really, really pretty. The curls are really, really pretty. This is deep wave hair, by the way. It's not like a water wave or anything like that. So it's meant to be just defined and you just let it go. And it is so so soft. It's ridiculously soft, and I like the fact that I can literally slick it back, as you can see. It can smooth into a ponytail. I have nothing bad to say about this hair. Asteria hair always deliver all the time, so I have no con apart from the lace and the size of the wig. But the hair itself is chef kiss. So yeah, that's literally it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay prayed up.